Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and this is yesterday's tomorrow. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to relink offline media inside of DaVinci Resolve. This is not something that you're going to experience very often unless you work from external hard drives a lot or you've moved your file location. This can be extremely frustrating if you put time into a project and you move something or a file location and you don't know how to retrieve your media. Nobody, and I mean nobody, wants to have to start over on a project, especially if you put some time into it. So if you want to learn a new skill and keep this from happening to you, then let's dive into the tutorial.
Alright, so now we are over in DaVinci Resolve, and if you ever open up a project and you see any of this big red media offline kinds of images, then something has moved and you need to retrieve your media. So how you can do this is called relinking your offline media. And to do that, there's this little tab right up here in the top left. It'll show up red when you need to relink it, but it's to relink media. You're going to click on that. There's two different ways you can do this. You can use the disk search and it'll search all your drives so that if you're not sure where it's at, that would be what I would do. Now if you moved them or you work off of external hard drives and you know exactly where they are, you can hit the locate. We'll go to the drive that we have it in, and I'm going to click on it, select folder, and just like that, it'll repopulate everything that you had in your project and your timeline. And that's just one more thing, that you need to learn so that if you ever have issues, you can kind of troubleshoot your own stuff.
This is another very basic editing skill, but it can save you a lot of time and many headaches by learning how to relink your media early on in your video editing career. I hate wasted time, especially when it's my fault. I'm sure that most of you can relate. Everybody's done something before that's wasted their time, and you look back and you're like, yep, that was my fault. So this will come in handy for everyone at some point in your editing journey. And this is just one more tool that you can add to your video editing arsenal. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button. This helps the channel with the YouTube algorithm a lot more than you know. And this helps more people find this content. So if you have any questions, comments, or feedback that you want to share, make sure to drop it in the comment section down below. I love to read them, and your feedback is what makes this channel better. I love engaging with every one of you. So definitely take the time if you want and leave us a comment. And if you'd like to see more content like this, then consider subscribing. Make sure you turn on the bell for the notifications so you know when we go live with our next video. We would love to have you here as part of our community. As always, I will catch you in the next video.